If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. GPT. We have every single thing, like 90% of what I just told you has already played out. 90% of the all prediction. But this video right now, if you're very new and you've searched and you've come to YouTube and you probably searched this out, a lot of people are frustrated, and I saw comments that people are saying it's a scam and this and that. But by the end of the video, I am going to convince you to try to learn how to trade, because I got a trading course for you that I've been creating, and I've put my 6 years of experience. It's $250, but come on Twitter, message me on Twitter. The link is in description of the video. And by the way, my Twitter is adamcoins_. So whenever you come here, you can see this one right over here, and message me to get a discount on this course. Reason being is, you might say, why is this like me trying to convince? Let's look for yourself. Okay, look for yourself. I started the updates 11 days ago, and I said be careful. I'm not trading GPT personally, but I still told you that it's looking to go upside, but I'm not trading it.
Move up, that's a very different scenario, but it is what it is. If you do end up going up, if they do actually decide to break the ascending triangle, then we could be looking at a technical target to go from there to there, and we're talking about a 40% setup of this ascending triangle, and we could be even looking at this should be your technical target to 0.079.
Right, so that was 11 days ago, and we started GPT here, and imagine, we try to move up from the ascending triangle. And then followed by another 9 days ago, again, I posted the video saying that there's a fifth wave coming in for GPT.
Looking for a move potentially from, I'm just going to take the trend line from the top to the bottom here. And it seems like 0.15 is the more interesting place to actually go and stop the rally for this coin.
Now notice what I said, to go and stop the rally, okay?
More interesting place to actually go and stop the rally for.
Right, so if I can tell you from the very beginning that this is where you're probably going to stop the rally because of the fifth wave, that's the reason why I'm telling you learn how to trade, because people rely on the very shortcuts and this and that, but I will recommend you to always learn how to trade. And then not only that one, the reason being to convince you is that you got another video 7 days ago about the C correction, and this is what I said.
We've already done that, so
and notice how we even went to the 1.5 and we stopped there.
And probably this was being a first wave, second wave, third one, fourth one, and you got the fifth one right over there. So if you're wondering that what is going on, I've already told you in the past videos, 2 days ago, that this was a bull flag, crossed the bull flag, crawled up, an A correction, the B correction, and a very big, deeper C correction. So basically, you've already made this straight down here.
And right, so from the ABC correction, we got the ABC. Just look at that ABC correction that took place amazingly well. And then I told you another head and shoulder pattern.
They're going to go down there is because you got the left shoulder, the head, and you got the right shoulder right over there. So that's like an ascending head and shoulders, went to the downside, and now you're looking for this technical target. Now I do think,
simple, right? Back to the chat GPT. Every single thing in 11 days played out perfectly, okay? Every single one thing. So tell me a good reason why not to learn how to trade first. Because my own students have 100 of students, and they've been able to predict the market and been able to buy smartly, to buy at places where they should be buying and sell at places where they should be buying. Now at this point of time, people are telling me I want to buy, and look, I didn't buy, and I've saved 54%. And imagine at the same time, the people were shorting because I've been predicting all these patterns right now. So currently at the moment, what is going on for ChatGPT? And for that one, again, only come to Twitter, talk to me there. Simple. We got the following thing going on, and that is this right here: the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. The technical target is made of the head and shoulders. We had the ascending triangle here. We broke out of it, and it's time now that we could potentially even get a relief rally. Okay, it's somewhere down the road you might actually end up getting a pump, because this is the RSI education now, because the RSI is completely oversold at the moment, and you might get a relief back up to the overbought levels. Not a guarantee though. But before going to the upside, there's one more thing that you have to be careful about, and that's the 1 hour time frame that I see. Now on the 1 hour time frame, you got the GPT coming down here and making this move like this, and that's known as the bear flag. And this bear flag again will take you from mini top here to the bottom, and you're breaking out and you're looking for a technical target to 563 something. This is where you might end up stopping dumping, right? The dump might end up taking a break at this level, because you got one support, one resistance here, one resistance there, you broke out of it, and if you extend the line here, this is where you have a massive support at the moment. So this is your next support for GPT. I'm just going to drag the line here, and that's where you have the next big level of support. So if it does come actually to this level, I think you're going to get a little bit of a relief to the upside. Where you're going to go, I'm not going to be sure, but we're going to see in the future how that's going to happen. So that's it for this video. Always support the channel, guys, on YouTube. Always like these videos as well, so that YouTube algorithm can push it even farther to the other people, and it will be appreciated if you're going to support it like that. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, office.